Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix a copyright claim on TikTok. So let's say one of your video received a copyright claim. So let's say you copied a movie's clip or you stole a video from other creator or music from other creator and you used it, then of course you're going to get copyright strike, and at that case you cannot do anything. But let's say the video you posted over here is an original video which you yourself made, but you still got the copyright claim. In that case, this is going to be the copyright warning you're going to get. And right below the copyright, you can see this option called appeal. You want to click on appeal. Once you click on appeal, appeal is going to be sent to TikTok, and TikTok staff will view it and they'll check if the content is originally your content or it's like content made by other, because sometimes the TikTok bot for no reason copyright strikes your video because of an error or something, and that is why if you appeal it, then it will be removed. But let's say the copyright claim is legit, you actually did copy like a video from other creator, or you used a clip from one movie on the TikTok account. In that case, of course, you're going to get copyright strike, and if you try to claim it, they're not going to remove it because it's actually a stolen content. So make sure to keep that in mind, that the video you post is original content. If it is original content and you file for an appeal, then it's going to be fixed, the copyright claim is going to be removed. And if it is not removed, what you can do is just delete the video and re-upload it again. Sometimes, as I said in the beginning, the bot causes this issue, so deleting and re-uploading the video will fix your problem as well. That's how you guys can deal with this issue, by appealing or by deleting and re-uploading it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.